Good morning. Thanks for your interest in the Citroen Big 15. I thought I'd do a little walk around video just to show you the details and hopefully answer the questions that you've got. I'll start at the front. I've left the engine running so you can also hear that. The chrome work is okay, but it would benefit from cleaning and some polishing. You can see some minor sort of surface corrosion on the bumper supports at the back there. And then this is the paintwork. So I'm just trying to pick up what you'll see is it's got some bubbling. I don't know if you can see there. It's got some little bubbling around the paintwork in lots of different places. So if you wanted to make it immaculate, it would need repainting. There's a chip on the paintwork there. And you see some corrosion at the back of the wing there. Again, you see these little like bubbles in the paintwork all around. The most noticeable on the roof and on the bonnet here. There you can see the chrome work, reasonable condition. I'll show you inside in a second. Again, more bubbling. I don't know what's happened. I think there's just been a reaction. There you go, you can listen to the exhaust. And you can see it on the back here as well. So if you want an immaculate car, it would certainly benefit from a repaint. Chrome work on the back, little bits of blemish, but not generally bad. Little mark here and there. Okay. And then I'll show you inside. So it's inside the back. The one thing is the headlining, you see, is a bit tatty. Yeah. So again, if you want something in really pristine condition, the headlining would want changing. The wood's on the door. Inside the front, again, wood on the door. Carpet would benefit from being changed. Show you the dashboard. And then just open this up. I'll try and do